At Land Life Company, we're all about trees. Trees are awesome. Trees eat CO2 for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Amazing, right? That's why we plant as many trees as possible, because in a race like this, numbers matter. What type of numbers? The kind that come from each tree we plant, the kind that measure impact. Your impact. And this year, we have some exciting numbers we want to share with you. We planted 1 million trees in 1 year. That's a lot of restored land. Yes, it is big. And there's more, because Land Life Company trees are unique. We use innovative technologies to design, plant, and monitor at large scale. A growing effort that, of course, doesn't come without some challenges. We sweat, freeze, and it's all worth it. This is just the beginning. Next year, we expect to grow even more. A lot more. Triple. All of these numbers are adding up to achieve our end goal. Restore the world's 2 billion hectares of degraded land. Because that's what really matters. Join our journey. Together, we will create impact we can see.